Nvidia has just unveiled its new AI supercomputer, the DGX A100. This powerful machine is capable of processing up to 5 petaflops of data, making it one of the most powerful AI supercomputers in the world. So what can this machine do? And how will it change the world? Let's find out. So firstly, what is the DGX A100? The DGX A100 is a new AI supercomputer from Nvidia that was released in 2020. It is the third generation of the DGX platform, and it is designed to accelerate AI workloads such as natural language processing, computer vision, and drug discovery. The DGX A100 is powered by 8 A100 Tensor Core GPUs, which are the most powerful GPUs on the market. The A100 GPUs are interconnected using Nvidia's NVLink high-speed interconnect, which allows them to communicate with each other at very high speeds. The A100 GPU, priced around $10,000, has become indispensable in the AI industry. It handles 95% of the market for machine learning-capable graphics processors, according to New Street Research. Investor Nathan Benach identifies the A100 as the current AI professional's workhorse, supporting machine learning models powering tools like ChatGPT, Bing AI, and Stable Diffusion. Initially developed for rendering sophisticated 3D graphics, the A100 has evolved to be a GPU configured for machine learning tasks in data centers. The DGX A100 also includes 15 terabytes of PCIe Gen 4 NVMe storage, which provides fast access to data for AI workloads. The system also has 1 terabyte of RAM, which is enough to train large AI models. How powerful is the DGX A100? The DGX A100 is incredibly powerful. It can deliver up to 5 petaflops of AI performance, which is more than 100 times faster than the previous generation of DGX systems. This makes it one of the most powerful AI supercomputers in the world. Nvidia's focus on AI was evident during a call with analysts, where CEO Jensen Huang frequently discussed AI, hinting that the recent AI boom is central to the company's strategy. In the past 90 days, the demand for Nvidia's AI infrastructure and inferencing capabilities with Hopper and Ampere, A100 chips, has skyrocketed, according to CEO Jensen Huang. The new generation Hopper, which includes the recently launched H100, is accelerating the utilization of Nvidia's GPUs. The DGX A100's performance allows it to train large AI models much faster than previous systems. For example, it can train a transformer model with 1.5 billion parameters in just 2 hours. This is a significant improvement over previous systems, which could take days or even weeks to train these models. The DGX A100's performance also allows it to run AI workloads at scale. For example, it can be used to train AI models for self-driving cars, which require massive amounts of data and computing power. Despite its impressive capabilities, it's essential to note that the DGX A100 is not as powerful as some other AI supercomputers on the market, like the Cerebras CS1 or Fugaku. However, what it may lack in absolute power, it makes up for in affordability, making it a viable option for businesses and researchers who need a high-performance AI supercomputer but have a more constrained budget. What are the benefits of the DGX A100? The DGX A100 offers a number of benefits for businesses and researchers who are working on AI projects. The DGX A100 can deliver up to 5 petaflops of AI performance, which is more than 100 times faster than the previous generation of DGX systems. This allows businesses and researchers to train large AI models much faster and at scale. It is more energy efficient than previous generations of DGX systems. This can help businesses and researchers save money on energy costs. DGX A100 can be used to run a variety of AI workloads, including natural language processing, computer vision, and drug discovery. This makes it a versatile tool for businesses and researchers who are working on a variety of AI projects. The DGX A100 is expensive, but it is still relatively affordable compared to other AI supercomputers. The base price of the DGX A100 is $199,000, but it can be customized to meet the specific needs of businesses and researchers. However, Nvidia's CEO, Huang, defended the pricing during a CNBC interview, arguing that for the computational needs of these models, their products are relatively inexpensive. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang argues that GPUs significantly reduce the cost of AI infrastructure, shrinking what would be a $1 billion data center into a $100 million one. When these costs are distributed across 100 cloud-based companies, they become relatively minimal. Huang emphasizes that startups can now train large models like GPT for a mere $20 million, which he describes as very affordable. Moreover, in terms of availability, the DGX A100 is currently available for purchase, unlike the Cerebras CS1, which is in very limited supply, and the Summit and Fugaku, which are only available for use by researchers at government and research institutions. Who should use the DGX A100? The DGX A100 is a powerful AI supercomputer that is ideal for businesses and researchers who are working on AI projects that require high performance and flexibility. Here are some examples of how it could be used in different sectors. The DGX A100 can be used to train AI models for self-driving cars, which require massive amounts of data and computing power. For instance, these models can identify objects and obstacles, track other vehicles, and make critical navigational decisions. It can also be utilized for in-car entertainment systems, personalizing user experiences, recommending content, and developing new features. In the medical field, the DGX A100 can be instrumental in developing AI-powered diagnostics and treatments. AI models trained on this platform can identify diseases, recommend treatments, and monitor patient health. In addition, it can be used for drug discovery, helping to identify new targets for medications, design new drugs, and predict drug efficacy. The DGX A100 can be used to develop AI-powered trading algorithms, risk assessment systems, and fraud detection measures. These models can identify fraudulent transactions, assess financial risks, and make informed trading decisions. Additionally, AI models for customer service can be trained to answer customer inquiries, resolve issues, and provide targeted recommendations. In the retail sector, the DGX A100 can be used to develop AI-powered customer service chatbots, personalized product recommendations, and customer segmentation models. These models can segment customers into distinct groups, recommend products that appeal to each group, and detect fraudulent transactions. It can also be utilized for marketing campaigns, targeting customers with tailored messages at optimal times. The demand for Nvidia's A100 chips is increasingly growing among large AI companies. Stability AI, developer of the notable image generator Stable Diffusion, offers a case in point. CEO Emad Mostaque stated on Twitter that the company now has access to over 5,400 of these GPUs, according to the State of AI report. According to New Street Research, ChatGPT, OpenAI's model integrated in Bing's search, might require 8 GPUs for a sub-second response. This could necessitate Microsoft having over 20,000 8-GPU servers for model deployment, resulting in around $4 billion in infrastructure costs. The costs would dramatically increase for a platform the size of Google, with daily queries in billions. The latest version of Stable Diffusion, an image generator developed by Stability AI, was trained on 256 A100 GPUs across 32 machines, totaling 200,000 compute hours. The training cost was $600,000, according to CEO Mostaque, who suggested this figure was comparatively low and didn't account for the deployment cost. Interestingly, while the DGX A100 targets businesses and researchers, the Cerebras CS1 not only targets the same audience but also markets itself to governments and other large organizations. The Summit and Fugaku, on the other hand, are targeted primarily at governments and research institutions. The DGX A100 is a powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize AI research and development. It is already being used by businesses and researchers to develop new AI applications in a variety of industries. As AI technology continues to advance, the DGX A100 will become even more powerful and versatile. It is ideal for businesses and researchers who need high performance, flexibility, and energy efficiency. Despite the advancements in the A100, its successor, the H100, may pose the stiffest competition. Introduced in 2022, the H100 is being produced in larger volumes, already surpassing the A100's revenue in the quarter ending in January, despite a higher unit cost. Nvidia claims the H100 is the first data center GPU optimized for transformers, a vital technique in top AI applications. The company aims to make AI training over 1,000,000% faster, potentially reducing AI firms' dependence on numerous Nvidia chips. Well, that's it. What do you think this machine will be used for? Let us know in the comments below.